Welcome to the Business Minute. For the makers, creators, and producers out there, it's easy to get excited when you want to launch your own business. Even entrepreneurs with the best ideas overlook free and robust resources available to help you succeed. The first place to start is with the SBA, the Small Business Administration. Our tax dollars help fund this agency, and it's not just for business owners who want to get a loan. It's full of resources to help you plan for growth. And by just clicking on the business planning menu, you get to see the resources from business planning, legal requirements, market research, just to name a few. You can also head over to the Learning Center where you can sign up for free courses like marketing and pricing. A spin-off from the SBA and often ignored or unknown resource is SCORE, which is the Service Corps of Retired Executives who serve as volunteers mentoring 11 million entrepreneurs since 1964. If you found this interesting or helpful, please subscribe, and until next time, let's keep learning to level up.